Hey guys, so I'm basically a big fan of working with trend reports and trend forecasts. And since college days, I've been very interested in the predictions by WGSN, Promostill, and Pinterest Insights, and all of these trend updates that come out on the various different platforms. So these are a little guidelines which help designers basically to design products related to various researches which are going around, whether it is color, like Pantone does a color research there, and designers can design products or their collections based around these predictions which are there for the future. So this year, basically 2025, I saw a prediction done by Kat Coke, and she was talking about in her trend report that coral reefs are in, and so I kind of worked on a collection based on that. And here is a little tumbler bottle, like a flask kind of a thing that I painted for my client, which is based on coral reefs and the colorful vibrant, eclectic coral reefs that are there. So this came out in that trend prediction report, and I designed something according to that. And I'm going to make a few more products just resembling that. So the thing is that when you have a direction given by researching, like people are researching what is in trend, what colors are going to be used, what prints are going to be used. So if you are updated with that and you try and design something in sync with that, so it has a better probability of selling, if you're going to sell it into the market. So various companies look out for products that are designed in sync with these trend sites which take out these predictions. And as a designer or an artist, you can design products based on that, and you can paint things based on that, and that has a better probability of selling because you're in sync with the trend forecast. A lot of designers do that and a lot of designers don't, but I just love doing that because it makes me feel in sync with the industry and what is the norm out there. And most of my collections or whatever I take out is inspired by a trend prediction, and most of the time it is inspired by a trend prediction, and I love going with that to find what motif is trending, what colors are trending. So if you are someone who would love to start your business and would kind of start designing products, you can definitely check out WGSN, Promostill, Trend Bank, Trend Senses, and Pantone, and you can design products according to that.